At CIDAN Machinery Group, building long-term relationship is key. Service is then a vital part for that success, for you and for us as partners going forward. When you invest in CIDAN, you gain innovation, performance and technology, along with the support of a dedicated service team that stands by you every step on the way. From installation to optimization, from troubleshooting to long-term maintenance, we are here to ensure your machine keeps delivering value year after year. Our service technicians are truly experts and trusted representatives of CIDANs out in the field. They make sure your production runs smoothly. They will answer your questions. They help you stay efficient, competitive and confident. We know that great service means more than solving a problem. It's about listening, arriving on time, being proactive and understanding what truly matters to you. That's what we focus on every day. Thank you for choosing CIDAN Machinery Group. Together we make a big difference. You will never work alone.